Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's JJ'sKickz coming at you with another video. This is right after the recording of the Panda Dunks, and I have something here that I think you guys would appreciate, and something I would love to teach you guys maybe to do if you guys want to do this, to either preserve your shoes, either to pack them up for an event, or even putting them in your own shop. Like I just want to make this because I want to. So just recently, I was just able to purchase a heat gun and some shrink wrap. So these are the only two things you need besides your shoes for this project. And so let's start with getting a sheet of shrink wrap. Just need one for now, one per shoe, of course. Put all this excess away. And now you just open it real quick. Sorry if you guys hear all that noise. Open it. Now you get your shoe, the one you're gonna wrap. You put it in all the way. That's what she said. Make sure the laces of the shoe are inside the shoe itself as well, just so they don't get tangled or show off bad, of course. So what you're gonna want to do is get the tip of the shoe all the way to the tip of the shrink wrap. Just pull on it. Get all that excess, make sure it's all the way to the tip like that. This, and then just pull everything back until the shoe can't get anymore. The sides, make sure it's lined up like this. And then there you go, and try to push in like this. Now you hold it like this. So now once you have it like this, you're gonna want to take your heat gun and do this a little quick. So you're gonna start here lightly, and you see it's gonna start shrinking the wrap. Gotta do it all over. Make sure you don't leave it too long, because you don't want it to burn a hole into your shoe, into the wrap itself. And actually, let me try it with my right hand, because I'm more of a righty type of person. And so what I recommend at the bottom of the shoes is, once you have it a little heated up, just pressing it so you can get the shape of the bottom, because then it'll be uneven with all the extra plastic, and just go at it again. So, and so you just kind of get it again, pull on it a little more, make sure it's all kind of just stuck to it. Make sure you push onto this, and then you give it another go. So you hold on to this. It's only too much air. You kind of want to stuff it here into the middle, into the inside of the shoe, and go at it again. And so there you go. Once you go at it a little bit lightly, and like I said, press at the bottom, you get the top of the shoe, and it's honestly like actual store type of quality dig, you know. Actually, let me get a little closer to the camera. Look at that. Perfectly wrapped. And it will take you a couple of wraps. So I do recommend you practice. Maybe by the third time you're gonna be good to go. But honestly, like, I want to deliver the best quality for my customers. That's why I want to do this personally. And it doesn't even cost that much. You know, I got those off of Amazon for 18 bucks. Just the heat gun and 50 wraps. So that is quite a steal. And honestly, let me do the next one just so I can show you again that we can do it. I'm gonna catch you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna time lapse that one. Complete. And that's the second shoe. Look at that. Just as equally beautiful. Hopefully you guys have taken a thing or two out of this video. Like I said, this is just for educational purposes, and I just want to provide the cleanest experience towards my customers. That's why I want to shrink wrap them. And you know, I think people appreciate it, you know, knowing one that there's authentic, but alongside that, they're clean. You know, they're clean shoes. They're awesome, they're nice, they're wrapped. It's an experience, so it's nice taking off a wrap, a new clean pair of shoes. So let me know what you guys think of shrink wrapping. I know you're not supposed to leave them like this for long periods of time, but I'm pretty sure these are gonna sell pretty quick. I mean, they're Nike High Dunk Pandas, and we'll see how that goes on to it. You might be able to snag them from me at JJ'sKickz at Instagram. Follow me there, like, comment, subscribe. And these will be going up to the channel as soon as, honestly, they're probably already up. So you better snag them while they're there. Catch you guys in the next one. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns. Like, comment, subscribe at JJ'sKickz. Love you guys. Thank you for joining me. And deuces.